Hey peeps, so Mandy here. It's been a long time since I've done some other videos. I'm in school holiday mode, hence the hair, and I'm just about to set off to the gym. But I have come across over the last couple of months this website called Cooter Country, and with permission from them I am about to convert their tutorials, which are all PDF based, into some video tutorials. I'm going to put them onto my YouTube channel and as well as using them in school. They're a fantastic website, so if you don't ever think that you know everything about Solidworks or CAD, because their tutorials have taught me so many new little tips and tricks and reinvigorated my love and passion for Solidworks and CAD. So full credit to cootercountry.net. Get on their website, check out their tutorials. They've got all sorts of things on there, not just Solidworks, as you can see here. But yeah, my first one I'm going to do is the wind-up car, which I'm also just about finished 3D printing. So get on it. Let's see how we go. Good luck.